Let me show you how to turn white into any color in Adobe Photoshop. First, choose the selection tool. You can use any selection tool to make a selection. I already made the selection to save time. Press Ctrl D to deselect. I'm going to go the Select menu to load selection. Click on the adjustment layer and create a solid color. Choose the color you want, then click OK. Change the blending mode to linear burn. Let's zoom the image. You can see the edges are sharp. Select the mask, go to Window and open Properties panel. I'll increase the feather to 2.1 pixel. You can choose the color to any color you want: blue, red, amber, black, whatever you want. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it.